If you've ever finished a great book and then forgotten 95% of it 2 weeks later, then this video is for you. In it, I will be announcing the 2026 book club selections that we will be reading and sketching out throughout the year. Some of these books will stretch how you live, others will stretch how you draw and diagram. Let me walk you through the selections. We are going to start the year reading Slow Productivity by Cal Newport and Sustainable Ambition by Cathy Onetto. The goal in reading these two books is to set you up for the year ahead in a way that won't lead to burnout. I've been a longtime fan of Cal Newport's work. You can find my visual summary of his book Digital Minimalism on this channel if you want to check that out. And I consider Cathy Onetto to be a friend. I was a guest on her podcast last year, and I've actually already read and very much enjoyed this book, but I haven't yet sketched it out. So I'm excited to do that alongside you. We'll be reading these two books in Q1 of 2026. And we'll be meeting once a month within Verbal to Visual, my online learning community for visual thinkers, where you'll have the opportunity to make a plan for how you'll go about reading and note-taking with the goal of creating some sort of a visual artifact that captures the takeaways that you want to remember and put into action. And you'll be able to share your progress and troubleshoot along the way. In the second quarter of the year, we will turn our attention toward visual thinking skill building as we read Rapid Viz by Kurt Hanks and Larry Belliston and How to Make Sense of Any Mess by Abby Covert. I'm excited about Rapid Viz because it focuses on how to quickly sketch out real-world objects, environments, buildings, both as a planning tool if you are building out a particular space, something that I'll be doing as I build a home office in the summer of 2026. But then that ability to quickly sketch out objects and environments is also a great tool when creating visual metaphors, when you're mapping out ideas, and you'd like to be able to represent specific objects or settings to use as a container for those ideas. And then in How to Make Sense of Any Mess, we get to learn from Abby Covert's extensive experience as an information architect and someone who is very passionate about sense making. We'll learn a process for wrangling complicated information. This is Covert's first book. I've already read her second, which is called Stuck Diagrams Help, which I also recommend. And I was lucky enough to pick up the 10th anniversary special edition of this book. There were only 250 copies of this version, which has some extra reflective essays within it. But even if you get the original, you won't be missing out. As with our first pair of books, with these two, we will be meeting once a month, not to share our visual summaries of these books, but instead to discuss the techniques we're learning from them and how we're applying those techniques to our specific projects. So maybe if you want to get better at taking notes at conferences, or you're trying to clarify and simplify a complicated process at work, pairing a project that matters to you with one of these two books is a great way to go. In the third quarter of the year, we're going to focus on the inner game of life, as we read No Bad Parts by Richard Schwartz and Chatter by Ethan Kross. I've heard a lot of good things about the internal family systems model, and I'd like to learn more about it. It deals with healing trauma and restoring wholeness. And my sense is that it's a useful framework for those who have experienced big T trauma, as well as those who have experienced little t trauma that comes along with modern life. Then in Chatter, we will explore the voice in our head, why it matters, and how to harness it. The impact of how we talk to ourselves is often so much greater than we realize, especially for us within a skill building community where we're challenging ourselves to try new things that might not work, on our way toward developing this capacity to make ideas visual. So as with Q1 and Q3, we will be reading and sketching out the ideas from these books. And by the way, there's no requirement that you read both books every single quarter. It's probably best if you just pick one to focus on. But as we found in past years, it's been really interesting as a community to have kind of two books to be exploring and comparing and contrasting that makes the overall reading experience more fruitful. And then in the fourth quarter of the year, we're going to look at visual thinking in action, as we read The Visual MBA by Jason Barron and Big Ideas, Little Pictures by Jono Hay. So here we'll be reading books that employ visual thinking as opposed to teaching it. And as we read those books, I'll be encouraging you to look out for techniques or styles that you might want to try on to see if they're useful in your work. And as I mentioned, this book club is going to take place inside of Verbal to Visual, where you will find both an on-demand, complete visual thinking curriculum, a broad collection of hand-sketched video lessons from me that will get you up and running with these skills, and where I also host weekly live workshops that range from deep dives into specific visual thinking skills and topics, to open Q&As where you can bring your own work and get feedback, to book club events, where we share our progress reading and sketching our way through good books. These book club events take place on the last Thursday of every month. So it'll be at the end of January when we first start talking about these two books, and then again in February and March. April through June will be these two, July through September, October through December. And I think you'll find it to be a helpful combination to work through the visual thinking curriculum, my on-demand video lessons, alongside this book club, so that you can bounce back and forth between learning from me and those lessons and applying them directly through one of these books. That's why the main route into verbal to visual is through the purchase of that curriculum, which brings with it 6 months of community access where you get to take part in those weekly live workshops, all of which are recorded and the replay posted later that same day. But if you're not ready to jump into that full curriculum, and instead you want to dip your toes in the water a bit, I will share a link below this video where you can just join the community side of things to take part in those weekly workshops and these monthly book club events that will give you a good sense for what our online learning community is all about. You'll be able to find all of that in the description down below, a link to the full curriculum, which gives you 6 months of community access, as well as a link just to sign up for those community events through a monthly or annual subscription. I am very much looking forward to digging into all of these books throughout the year, and I hope you are too. Thanks for watching, and happy 2026.